We are starting Mount Rainier today. I'm in Rainier National Park. We set up camp down in the valley at a dispersed camping site last night. It's me and Brad and Jordan and Judd and our friend Steve is supposed to meet us last night, but I'm not sure if he made it here, if he's going to meet us at the Paradise Visitor Center this morning. It's like maybe like 4:30 right now. The visitor center doesn't open up till 7:30, and we have to go there and pick up our permits first, so that's going to be our limiting factor for today. Today should just be kind of a grind, just a lot of steep uphill to Camp Muir, but really no risk there, just a lot of slow hiking, and it's supposed to be pretty warm too, especially with get on the snow. And then we'll probably be trying to head out around midnight tomorrow to do our summit push. Yeah, we're doing Rainier today, or starting Rainier. That's weird to say.
You guys doing good back there? Oh man, what are you gonna do? Chase me?